Welcome to the Cow Corporation's series of videos about software engineering. The topic of this video is initialization by a one-parameter constructor. Before proceeding, make sure that you have already watched these other videos first. This OIMP variable is implicitly initialized. This OEXP variable is explicitly initialized. In both cases, they are initialized by copy construction, copying from some other object of that same type. If the class has a constructor with exactly one parameter, then we could use the same syntax for calling that constructor instead of calling the copy constructor. Just change the initialization value into a value whose type matches that single parameter. Now, our initializations are essentially converting types, in this case, from int into CR complex. So that one parameter's data type should be either a primitive or a constant reference. If you program the single parameter constructor with the explicit keyword, then the compiler will prevent you from using it in an implicit initialization syntax. That one parameter constructor is essentially converting type from int to CR complex. The opposite conversion from CR complex to int could also be specified. That cast overload form will be inherited by a derived class, unless the derived class re-implements it. Starting in C++11, that cast overload can be prohibited from use in implicit initialization. Again, the explicit keyword is used for that prohibition. Instead of converting into int, you could have converted into another class type. Consequently, two places exist where such a conversion could have been specified. It would be an error to provide both of these. Instead of converting into int, you could have converted into a pointer type. If you're converting into a pointer type that points at CR complex data members, then the syntax looks this way.